is so cloudy, making this speaking no defeat. Yes, and the sky is blue. No. We need to stay like this. Change everything. Yeah, hope I'm clear with this. You'll never repeat myself again. Hold on, mister. Your clarity is none of my business. What did you just say? What you have just heard. You won't continue like this if you keep on disrespecting me. Then go get another one. Are you sure with this? Why not? I need to go back to the house. This is getting out of control. I don't want. Never meant to hear this.
Hello, Chido. Nice to meet you. Where are you going to?